Meaning of embellishment.
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 Embellishment. Embellishment refers to the act of adding decorative features or details to something in order to enhance its appearance or impressiveness. The result of an embellishment is often a more visually appealing or elaborate version of the original object or concept. For example, an embellished garment may feature intricate embroidery or beading, while an embellished story may include fictionalized elements for added drama or interest. Ultimately, the purpose of an embellishment is to make something stand out and capture the attention of the audience.